everyone, Sabrina from Campbell's Freedom Farm, and we're going to plant some really cool seeds. The first one we're going to plant is black root. Also, it's out of the figwort family, and it is American native, which I thought was really cool. Now, many of you may have heard of Culver's root. It was an 18th century physician that realized that it could be a potion, I guess. But medically, this really cool black root, it really is black. It looks like a carrot. You know, basically that's black. It's used for constipation, fever, chill, coughs, even colitis, and one that I thought was very interesting, hepatitis. So for me, do I want it for that? No. What I want it for, have you ever seen the Veronica plant where it has that really cool spikes? This plant actually is perfect for the cottage or wet areas or wild gardens. It has long vertical spikes. It gets, I think, like 5 foot, or it can, depends if you trim it. And it's a perennial, by the way. And it has spikes of beautiful flowers. Now, let me show you what it looks like. It's just, almost looks like sticks. Now, I have soaked some, and I'm going to dump it in here because I want to see what the difference is. Well, I'll do that in a minute. But I'm going to just sprinkle them. Firmly plant, push them in, and then I'm going to put these. I just want to see if it makes a difference soaking it. And then, and I'll water it in. And then I'm basically going to cover it lightly. Now, most perennial plants do take quite a while. Now, I'm not sure, I've never grown this, so we'll just do a video when they come up. Okay. Okay, the second one is Cardoon, C-A-R-D-O-O-N. I'm sure I butchered it. It's actually a Mediterranean herb, and it's a perennial also out of the daisy family. But a lot of the famous Italian dishes have this. It's out of the artichoke family, they're related, and they use the stalks of this really spiny plant. But I think they're beautiful flowers. So with these, I soak some. And how do I know what one comes up, the soaked one or the other one? I put the two that are soaked right behind the name plant. And I actually scarred these with a file. And I'm putting them in, and these go in deeper. Remember the rule, whatever the length is, they need that at least, if not double or triple. Okay, cover it up, firm it. All right, now with both of these, I have cups with holes on the top. I'm going to put it in a sunny window, and I have marked the date because I assume these are going to take 2 to 3 weeks. Actually, the Cardoon is preferred to be sowed outside in January or February, but I'm not Mediterranean, so who knows. Now, I want to talk about where I got these really cool seeds. Normally, I'm into Baker Seeds. They travel all around the world, and they get these seeds. They have free shipping. But then I kept looking because I was interested in these. I had been researching it. I found SeedsNOW. SeedsNOW, and I wrote some notes on this. Not only for both of these seeds was it $3 with free shipping, they are 100% non-GMO, they're heirloom, they're non-hybrid, open pollinated, which is unusual nowadays, and they're untreated. There's no chemicals on these. And that's nice. They even teach you how to save your own seeds. So somebody that's looking for money, they usually don't do that. And they have an ebook. So I ordered it. I have never heard of this company. It came within a week. I couldn't believe it. But I'm doing it way ahead of shipping. That way I bring it to you, and so you know where to get your seeds. So it came with a week. It came with a free seed starter kit for the Hungarian wax. And both of the seeds show the germination rate, the purity, everything. So I was so impressed. And if that's not enough, they sent 20% coupons. Anybody need a coupon? So I would try the SeedsNOW.com. It was wonderful. Now, I'll let you know how it goes, but finding places like this where it's natural and they don't do all the chemicals and everything is a nice change. But this is Sabrina from Campbell's Freedom Farm, and try something unusual for your garden this year. Thumbs up and subscribe.